Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enhance video footage with CapCut Filter. So let's get started. First of all, create your project in CapCut, and after that, if you want to enhance your video footage with filter, the first thing you have to do is you can click on filter option right here, and you can select the filter that's suitable for your footage. And because my footage is scenery footage, so I'm just going to look for filter for the scenery. So I'm just going to click on scenery right here, then we can explore it. And for example, I'm going to select this one. Okay, this one, this filter, and wait. Okay, I think it's better, this filter, it's better, and I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to make a 100%. Okay, and we can also adjust our video footage, so we just need to click on adjust, and I'm going to increase the saturation to make it better, like this. And I'm going to increase this one, the sharpen. I'm going to make it sharper, like this. Okay, and this is the result, guys. So this is the result. So let's just play the video to take a look on the result. Alright, and this is before I put filter. Okay, and this one is after I put filter. It looks better, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can enhance video footage with CapCut Filter. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.